Improve your surgical skills in facial trauma management through a course created and taught by renowned AO faculty, incorporating the latest technologies. Hi, I'm Marta Redondo, and I'd like to introduce you the AO CMF Management of Facial Trauma course. This 2-day course provides you with the fundamental knowledge and principles for the treatment of facial fractures and their complications. It covers diagnostic and treatment principles for midface and mandibular fractures, as well as the prevention and treatment of complications. This course is delivered through a combination of lectures, small group discussions, and hands-on practical exercises, and it's complemented with online pre-course activities. You will learn how to assess and diagnose facial injuries, formulate and adapt treatment plans, perform key surgical techniques, and manage complications throughout the treatment process. All of this complemented by the latest technologies and digital tools that support surgical planning, decision-making, and execution. A key highlight of this course is the hands-on practical exercises. You will practice on live-like dry bones and receive direct feedback from experienced faculty, helping turn your knowledge into confident surgical practice. Beyond the curriculum, AO CMF courses offer a unique opportunity to meet peers from around the world, exchange real-life experiences, and build meaningful professional connections. This global open-minded community becomes an invaluable resource throughout your CMF career, supporting case discussions, collaborations, and new professional opportunities. Whether you are early in your CMF journey or looking to refine your skills, this course will strengthen your clinical decision-making and connect you with a global network of experts. So join one of our upcoming courses and take the next big step in your learning journey. I look forward to welcoming you to the AO CMF community.